In this video, we're going to take a look at how you factory reset an Amazon Echo Pop. Typically, as this procedure will remove your Amazon account from your Echo Pop and then reset all settings and any data stored on it, you would perform a factory reset if you are planning to lend, give away, or decommission your Amazon Echo Pop. As there are two ways to perform a factory reset, we're going to show you both. However, in order to successfully complete a factory reset, you will need to ensure that your Echo Pop is connected to the internet. The first method for performing a factory reset is done through the Amazon Alexa app. So if we load the app and then locate our Amazon Echo Pop from within Devices, by selecting our Echo Pop, and in the top right hand corner of the screen, we tap the settings icon. If we now scroll down to the bottom of this panel, we will find an option called Registered To. By simply tapping Deregister, and then when prompted, selecting Deregister for a second time, we will remove our Echo Pop from our Amazon account, and our Echo Pop will automatically factory reset itself.
Removing your smart home devices and resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
The alternative method for deregistering and factory resetting an Echo Pop is from the device itself. So once again, with our Echo Pop connected to the internet, if we first set the volume to 0, and now press and hold down both the volume down and microphone off buttons for roughly 30 seconds, or until the indicator light starts to flash orange. When we release our fingers, our Echo Pop will deregister itself from our Amazon account and perform a factory reset to wipe all settings and any data stored on it. Please note that the factory reset process will take roughly 1 minute to complete. However, while your Echo Pop performs its factory reset, you should not remove the power or attempt to switch it off. You will know that your Echo Pop has finished performing its factory reset when the indicator light starts to flash orange and you hear the following message.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
As our Amazon Echo Pop has now been deregistered from our Amazon account and returned to its factory defaults, it is now safe to switch it off and remove it from its power source.